Hello, my name is Christy Minton and I'm the school librarian at Leicester Middle School. Today I'm going to be giving you a virtual tour of the Makerspace that I've been working on for the past year. A makerspace is a place where students can come to work freely and creatively on any projects that they have been wanting to pursue. And a makerspace provides them with the resources and the assistance from whoever is running it, like myself, to make their goals possible. And currently, we've been accepting donations for more like craft materials, but eventually we hope to incorporate more digital creation tools. This year we have purchased a green screen and we just hope to build our resources from there so that students can really take advantage of what the school has to offer. With the support of the Friends of Leicester Middle School, community, and a great coworker, I've been able to assemble this space. And for the rest of the video, I plan to briefly tell you how this space came to be, what my ultimate goals for the project are, and show you some of the great new additions that we've made recently. This was originally a storage room stuffed with things that nobody wanted. So the first steps were to clear it out, paint the furniture that was already there so we could obviously keep a low budget, and we had the walls painted a fun color and all the furniture colors that would pop and just make the place more vibrant and inspiring for students. My philosophy is that a library should be a place for connections, for people to grow. And so my 3 overall goals for this makerspace are that students could be connected to individuals in the community who are experts in creative fields that they are interested in pursuing. Also that the makerspace would act as a home base for after-school programming to build creative skills of interest to students, and that the makerspace would be accessible during the school day so all students can take advantage of its resources. Repurposing and recycling is also something that I want the makerspace to focus on. And so when I was creating things for the makerspace, I repurposed objects that I found around the library, around my home, to create things like the carpet that you saw there, or some of the artwork that you see hanging on the wall, to create new meaning and new life for those objects. This project is far from complete. We are still looking for many donations for tools and various craft materials. Anything really, including craft books and technology that people want to offer, it would be fabulous. And you can follow the link at the end of the video for more information on what we are looking for. The first new item I'd like to share is our new Sphero Robot STEM Kit. You can code and program it to do all sorts of neat things. Our next one is the I/O Blocks that is also connected with a virtual app that you can build a lot of different creations with. Next we have a code kit by Little Bits that teaches you how to basic coding skills. This is the Makey Makey. You can connect the Makey Makey with inanimate objects and make them come to life using computer programming. And then this cool synth kit allows you to create music and instruments using these magnetic blocks. And finally we have these stick-bot robots that you can use for green screens for animation. So thank you for tuning in. If you would like to know more about this project, learn how you can contribute or connect with me in any way, please follow this link and email me at this address.